Coaches versus athletes working out.
4, 5, 6. Oh.
Left or right?
We're right.
You want me on the other side of that court?
Fragment has been called.
What? Someone throw in Sean stuff.
Can you grab Sean's walking paddle?
And get it out before your knee. You want to snap it out and back to the setup right away for a quick pause and then take the next stroke. Okay?
Looking good.
Okay, sit up, paddles up, take it away.
Yeah, Peter!
Woo! Peter's just a pro. Oh my gosh, they're sinking in the back, it's right.
What if they start like totally sinking? I will laugh so hard.
They need it.
Okay, is there a good way? Ready? Savannah, can you be in? No, the athlete. Go athlete! Woo! Go athlete! Go athlete! Come on!
Athletes go out.
Go athlete!
Coaches are underwater.
Come on, athletes! You got it! Woo!
Those guys go to, these are